Oh, hey, what's going on? You want to talk about some hair products? Cool, let's do it. All right, so I wanted to share with you guys, since I cut my hair off, I changed my products up, and for the length right now, I just, you guys have asked a bunch of times what I'm using, so I wanted to go over my go-to products at the moment. This right here is the Moroccan oil. It's by Moroccan Oil, but it's called Hydrating Styling Cream. It's good stuff. My hair, whenever, I don't shampoo it every day. Every 2 to 3 days, I'll usually shampoo my hair. Conditioner, I use a lot more. But when my hair is frizzy, when I'm done shampooing it, put it in. I also use this every single day before I put any styling product in. Washes out easy. It's got a lot of natural products in it. I don't know if it's 100% all natural, but I know it's got some good stuff for your hair. So this is more of, like it says, it's a styling cream. It's more of a smoothing type thing. It's not heavyweight. My hair it's thick, but I have very fine hair. So any product I put in, it tends to weigh it down really, really bad. And this product will not do that. I have not had any issues with that whatsoever. So it also smells good. Moroccan Oil, they've been a staple company for a long time too, so I would trust anything they put out. So moving on. This stuff is more of my, let me show you. This is more of my styling, I'm not gonna say cream paste, that's what it's called, pliable paste. This is, it's called Rewind actually, by Redken. And this stuff, I'll show you, you can see, it's definitely got some hold to it, but not too much. You can still, like it says, it's pliable. That's a good way to describe what this does. I know that this is I know this is not all natural, but it, again, doesn't make my hair greasy. It allows it to fall in place, stay in place, and then I can reform it if I want to at any point. So, like I said, this is not like a pomade, so don't think that it's gonna work like a pomade, because this is definitely not that. You're gonna get a lot more hold with a pomade if that's what you're looking for. But if you have a medium length hair, long hair, like I have, this would be your go-to for that if you want that piecey look. So I do cut my own hair, texturize a lot. Through here, I cut like layers in it, and I'm gonna show you guys, actually, I'm waiting for it to grow out a little bit more. I'm gonna show you how I cut my hair myself. It is, it's a circus act, so I do look like a monkey hopping around. But again, I'll show you all the tricks on that soon. This, great product, highly recommend it. Show you one more time. Again, I'm gonna put these links down in the description. So, those are my two go-to products right now. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, and we will definitely be doing more tutorials and product reviews, because I like to share what I'm learning, my successes and failures with whatever product it is that I'm switching to. All right, guys, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.